The future isn't waiting, and neither are we. Altera is bold, focused, and built to accelerate what's next. We have solutions for your needs, from embedded devices to intelligent systems, and everything in between. Our Edge AI platforms bring intelligence closer to where data lives, with speed, efficiency, and adaptability built in. We're supporting your innovations with modern design tools, a growing ecosystem, and a roadmap you can trust. Altera is empowering technologies that shape tomorrow and drive innovation.
We are Altera, accelerating innovators.